Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to display pointer trails in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if you want to show and display pointer trails, so click on start, then type control panel, open control panel. Now select view by as large icons. Now in here click on mouse. Now click on pointer. So click on pointer options. Here you will see option display pointer trails. So check this box. So as we can see now, pointer trail in mouse, and you can make some customize like long or shorter. Then click on apply, then OK. Now close it. So like this guys, you can display pointer trails in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.